Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T15 screwdriver. First, disconnect your Dyson V10 from the power source. This is crucial for safety. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This gives you better access to the motor compartment. Now, locate the screws that secure the motor cover. There are typically 4 Phillips screws on the rear of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. With the screws removed, gently pry off the motor cover using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or tabs during this process. Once the cover is off, you will see the motor assembly. This is a good time to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment to ensure optimal performance. A clean environment is key to a well-functioning vacuum. If you find it overwhelming to handle the cleaning or repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, you will need to disconnect the motor wires. Carefully note where each wire is connected, as you will need to reconnect them later. Use your Torx T15 screwdriver to remove the screws holding the motor in place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of the compartment. It's important to handle it with care to avoid damaging the connections. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, don't worry, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, take your new motor and place it into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Reconnect the wires to their respective terminals, following the notes you took earlier. Tighten the screws securely with your Torx screwdriver. Next, replace the motor cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the 4 Phillips screws to secure the cover. Ensure everything is tightened properly. Finally, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into the main body until you hear a click. Before you start using your vacuum, it's a good idea to test it. If it doesn't start or if there are any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With everything back in place, your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner should now be ready for use again. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your appliance significantly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.